Do you know this song?
Sweet dreams are made of these. When I'm to disagree.
Oh yeah! Everybody's looking for something.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody.
It was my childhood kind of jam. They killed it.
No.
Okay.
They made a remix, but that's not the point.
Do you not know this song? This is so famous.
No problem, you're gonna find out now. Sir Cider, he made a funk remix of this song.
Oh my god, I think it's gonna be really good.
The song has more than 6.6 million access on YouTube. But today you're not reacting to the remix version. Brazilians made their magic and transformed it into a meme machine.
Oh my
They made
god.
memes. Okay.
The meme started right here.
Oh wow.
That's me walking into work like. Oh, what is this for? Oh god. Don't you like your crotch?
Oh, that hurts. That hurts.
Don't you like it? Doesn't it do something for you? Why are you trying to break it?
Wow.
How is he still walking?
I thought he was taking his belt off.
I think he's doing that.
He is taking his belt off.
He's tightening.
Oh.
How does somebody do that?
This guy's so good, man.
This TV show is called Family Cases, and it presents different families that go to the show to talk about problems and issues they have with each other. This specific case, the boy, Gabriel, was suffering prejudice from his family, neighbors, and friends because of his lifestyle. He's a professional funk dancer, because that's for a living. Anyway, his intro went viral and Brazilians create a meme called Falling While Listening to Sweet Dreams.
Okay.
I asked the subscriber to send the most iconic ones, and you're gonna watch it now.
Ah, você.
Please tell me it's not going to dance.
Oi,
Oh yeah.
oi.
Do you know any K-pop band?
I know some.
There's a band called BTS.
Yeah, I just heard about them actually.
Oh, I know them, I know them. Oh, I know these guys. He dropped it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Awesome.
Do you know the story of the first guy that got the first iPhone 7? He was in line for hours and days.
Really?
to
No,
get
I
the
don't know
first
this guy.
iPhone 7.
Yeah, he fall off.
When it fell, yeah.
Whoa.
Of course.
He dropped it? Oh my god.
Poor guy. You just bought it.
Even you guys enter the trend.
What?
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 Yeah, right. Oh, seriously? Really, dude? Really?
This is Audrey.
That's gonna be nice.
If one of it actually split like you or Audrey and this became a meme, I would share it.
Oh my god, it hurts. Every time he splits, it hurts.
I know. I don't have anything and it hurts.
Do you know Iron Man, the Avenger?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Iron Man.
This
Oh,
is
I've heard
Avengers.
this is yeah. When he falls to the ground.
But Hulk catches him.
Yeah, yeah. This guy dances really well.
Do you remember this meme?
Oh, I remember this video.
Oh!
I remember that video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Bye, dude.
How does he
I
do
do
it?
every time he does the split, I'm like,
Yeah, it
ouch.
hurts.
Even a Brazilian gymnastic professional.
Okay.
athlete.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Oh, he's gonna split in the air. This was a very good one.
Just a fun fact, this stamp here, can you see here? It's a Brazilian page that made memes with everything. They are
Okay.
known as SAM, South American memes.
Okay.
This is what would happen if the world ended with these dance moves.
The ground cracks now. Oh, this is good.
Which movie is this?
I don't know, but I think I've seen this.
The power of the butt.
Do you know an American YouTuber called Logan Paul?
Yeah.
No. I think so. Yeah. The white guy with the.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's crazy. I love him.
This guy in the white.
What?
His balls don't hurt.
And you even got some dangerous ones.
Oh, I was waiting for accidents. Brazilians not have accidents.
Oh crap! I know this guy. This was in Brazil.
You can make it. Come on.
Holy sh**.
Do not fall.
This gotta die.
Why?
What is he doing?
Why would you do this? How did you plan to get down?
Please don't fall.
Oh, he's going to fall
Please
so
don't
badly.
fall. Please don't fall.
Oh
Please,
no!
please don't
Oh my
fall.
god, he's gonna die.
Oh my god, he's gonna fall.
Now the world don't move.
No.
Now the world don't move.
Ah, it
Oh
hurts.
fuck! Goosebumps!
That's it for your legs.
That hurts.
Say bye to walking.
It gets worse.
Thank god it was this ending. Oh my god! this-
Okay, that's not.
Oh!
He's gonna fall.
Oh!
Oh my
Sorry.
god!
No.
Rip.
Now the world don't move.
I like this one.
To have the dog version.
Wow. Someone has a lot of time.
That's amazing.
This dog is just like headbanging, man.
It's a loop. Loop.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, those are funny.
Yeah.
I like
It
the.
was just painful, but it was funny.
Which one is your favorite?
It's hard to tell. Everyone was like good.
They were all really good.
Yeah.
I don't think I have like a personal like favorite. They're all really good.
But I think the Logan Paul was like awesome.
The guy falling from the.
Oh, that was
That was bad.
Of course, Audrey. That's always my funniest go-to thing there.
Mine was the guy climbing and falling.
Both of those were scary.
No, seriously, that's just me walking into anything.
I'm gay. Obrigado.
Por assistir.
Não se esqueça
De deixar
o like
aí embaixo
E se
inscrever
no nosso
canal. Se tiver
Qualquer
sugestão.
um comentário
a gente
se vê.
por aí.
Say